Hi guys, so I'm gonna do a little get ready with me today. Just an everyday natural makeup look, super simple, 10 minutes or less. I recently tried some new Clarins products, so I'm gonna show you guys which ones I've been using, how I'm using them, and what I like about them. So if you wanna check it out, just continue watching. Okay guys, so I just washed my face and I have just sunscreen on. To start, I've been using the Instant Smooth Perfecting Touch by Clarins. It looks like this, and it's just like a base slash primer. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So it just looks like this. It just has like a really silky smooth consistency. And I put this over my entire face, but I really make sure I get it around my eyes, my smile line, anywhere that my makeup's gonna crack. Okay, and then next I've been using the SOS Primer. It looks like this, and I've been using the color Peach. This one is for blurring imperfections, but they do make some for if you have dark circles or reducing redness. I'm just gonna like this. And it looks like it's super pigmented, but you'll see as I start to rub it in, it just kind of melts into my skin. Okay, so it just gave it like kind of like a subtle glow. Now my face is ready if I want to put foundation on or a little bit of bronzer or whatever I want to do to like build on top. My face is now like prepped for that. So I did add on top, and I used the Skin Illusion foundation and the Instant Concealer, and everything went on super smooth. Next, I am gonna put some mascara on, and I've been using the Supra Volume Mascara. I've been using this for a while now. This is my second one, and I really, really like it. It's not clumpy at all. Like I can get by with doing just one coat, which I really like, especially when I'm in a hurry. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Okay guys, so now that my mascara is done, I'm gonna move on to lips, which is my favorite part. I've been using the Instant Light Natural Perfector. It looks like this. This is number 8. This is one of my favorite colors. It looks like it's really dark, but trust me, it's not super dark. It's just in a squeezy tube like this. So I'm gonna apply this. Okay, so like I said, it's not super dark. It doesn't look like it's this dark. It just goes on really smooth and almost gives kind of like a bitten look, which I really like. I love all sorts of lip glosses, so I feel like I have high expectations of lip glosses because I use them every day. And I will say I really like this one because I don't ever get white here. My hair's not sticking to it. It's not like overly sticky. I am gonna add a lip oil on top though, just to make it a little more glossy. I'm gonna use this one. I've actually never used lip oils before, and I will never stop now because they're so hydrating. My lips have not been chapped or dry since I started using it. So in addition to some gloss, it hydrates, which is a win-win for me. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna set my makeup with the Fix makeup spray. Looks like this. Just gonna spray this all over. It's just gonna set my makeup so that it stays like this all day long. So, yeah. It smells really good. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's just like an everyday natural makeup look, 10 minutes or less, super simple. I really, really love the primers I used. I can see a huge difference in how everything else went on. It's just so much smoother. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you.